Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I was looking around on Craigslist last week and I came across this 1970 Dodge D200 camper special. I couldn't pass it up. I've been looking for one of these for quite a while. I kind of wanted a short bed, but I saw this one and it's so clean. It's got original paint. It's completely unmolested. It has just under 35,000 miles on the odometer, and I think that's true just because it's so clean. Even the wheel wells are clean. They look great. The bed isn't beat up. It's straight. That's the inside of the bed isn't beat up, that is. The body is great. It's got a little bit of front end damage from a recent accident. The owner was driving at about 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour, and ran into a deer. So the grille is smashed. I guess the horns put a little dent in the hood, so I'll have to take care of that. And the bumper's a little bit bent, but I've already found somebody locally to straighten out the bumper. I'll have to try to find a grill, so if anybody knows where I can find a grill for one of these trucks, that would be helpful. And then I think I'm going to have one of those guys that comes out and does the mobile dent repair, the paintless dent repair, and see what he can do on that little dent on the hood. It's not too bad. I think it can be cleaned up quite a bit. But other than that, I'm excited about this truck. I've wanted one of these for quite a while, and I came across this deal. I drove up to Northern California to get it. I'd love to try to find a Cummins and drop it in there, or maybe even if I could find a nice W250 chassis with the Cummins, try to put this body on that. I've never done anything like that, so if anybody has, let me know what I might run into and the things I need to look out for. Maybe tell me what you think would be better, if just dropping a Cummins in this chassis or trying to make this thing four-wheel drive. I think it'd make a really cool looking four-wheel drive, even being long bed. I should mention that the driver's side floor is rusted and that'll need to be replaced. I don't think that'll be that big of a deal. I've seen the floor pans online, so I can order one of those and weld that in myself. It does run. We pull started it to get it up on the trailer. It needs a starter and a tune-up, and I'll have to pick up a battery as well. It also recently had the brakes rebuilt and a new master cylinder, so it won't take much to get this thing going down the road as is. At the end of the video, I'll show you the rust on the floorboard, as well as I'll pop the hood and we'll take a look at the motor compartment. It's really clean. I had a come along attached to the truck, as well as a secondary strap in case the come along came apart. Well, there's my 1970 Dodge D200 camper special. I'm looking forward to working on this thing. I think it'll be a fun project. Maybe we'll get some more videos out of this as well. Thanks for watching.